Okay, so today's what day? Is it day 7 or day 8? Federico? Day 7 on the Patagonia Overland Photography Workshop, and we're now heading down towards Chalten, and we'll be there in about 7 hours, and then we go up towards Fitzroy, where the shit's gonna really happen. Where the bloody hell's he going? Just saw an armadillo on the side of the road. Check that out, how crazy is that? Hello, armadillo. Hello. We just had a pit stop on the side of the road. Look what Jeff's got himself. Jeez.
It's a real piss.
It's
1 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 1:15. A beer in the car. Why not? Look at that.
Go. We have to start now.
Oh, you're wasting my bloody SD card memory.
Okay,
Go.
I'm going. Are you sure?
Yeah, go.
I am shy now. Okay.
He's a funny bugger, Federico. He's a funny bugger. Go.
Okay, we already took a detour from the Ruta 40 in the direction to El Chalten. So we are starting a new part of our trip. We start in the area of the Lake District in Bariloche, around Bariloche, Rio Limay, the Lake Nahuel Huape with crystal clear waters. Then we enter in the plains and the yellow plateau, the yellow steppe to visit those beautiful volcanic rock formations. And now we are approaching the Andes again, but this time we are approaching the area where the Andes are very, very jagged and covered with ice.
Holy moly!
We're going to kick some ass up there, mate. Isn't it? Yeah. Jeff, what do you reckon, mate?
Be careful with the road, please.
Freddie, you like? He's our mountain goat. Mountain goat 1 and 2.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
This town was founded in 1985. 1985.
We're going to dump our luggage and everything at the hotel. Then we're heading straight back out to a location we passed on the way in for a sunset shot of Fitzroy. Hey mate. Just
Are you going?
good, just trying to set up a composition here. It's a bit challenging because we've got a bit of a strong light. The sun's coming through now. Just trying to get the CPL filter just to cut through that glare up into this mountain here. And I've just applied a 4-stop ND onto the holder just to give that water a bit of dynamics, but at the same time a bit of water flow. You can see over here I'm just composing the image. I don't know if you can get it, that's the general composition. You can see I'm blowing out my whites there, so I'm just going to first, I always try and overexpose just to help to get composition, just using contrast detect composition, and I'm just focusing on the first third of the image, and then from there I'll move back and I will go at f14, and I'm going to drag back till I'm not blowing any more whites. I might have to leave a little bit just because the sun's a bit strong in there now. So I'm at a quarter of a second. I might leave it a quarter of a second. I won't worry about that sun for the moment. It's going to drop by in a minute, and I'll just have a few test shots to see how that looks like. I will now expose for my shadows. So I'll open right up, and in this shot I'll just do a exposure blending, which I think at about there looks pretty good. Take 2 shots, and we'll see how that comes out blended later on. Pentax K70 on with the case slim filter holder on, the K100 slim filter. She's got the magnetic polarizer and 3-stop ND grad, right? And let's just have a look at your composition. Down the bottom we've got Jeff setting up here with a similar system. He's going to shoot with a 24-70 on the Pentax K1. He's got the case K100 Slim, and what filters he put on there, mate?
Polarizer and NDA.
So we've got Mr. Ed Rhodes down here. He's the non-Pentaxian in the group. What about me? What about me? Oh yeah, I'm sorry, yeah. The other company. So we've got 2 Nikon bodies out here with the 70 to 200. And what lens have you got, mate?
It's a 70-200 f4.
Yep.
It's a 1635 f4 as well.
Okay, right.
The foreground lined up with the centre of the
very nice.
Fitzroy.
And you've got some
some grads on at the moment, but I'm just waiting for that light to subside.
Yeah,
it's just
a bit too harsh. It's blowing our whites out, isn't it?
It is.
Okay. All right.
So long shots with the telelens.
Will show us what type of photos we're going to come up with this.